Oxidation reduction or redox reactions. I'm Mr. B. During an oxidation reduction reaction, the oxidation number of one or more substances will change. The term oxidation means that electrons will be lost. The term reduction means that electrons will be gained. During oxidation, the oxidation number of a substance will increase. During reduction, the oxidation number of a substance will decrease. Remember also that the oxidation number of any lone element is zero. Metals tend to undergo oxidation. Metals will have only positive oxidation numbers. On a periodic table, the majority of the elements will have positive oxidation numbers, meaning that they're metals. Nonmetals will tend to undergo reduction, and nonmetals will have negative primary oxidation numbers. Determining oxidation reduction or redox reactions. To determine whether or not a reaction is a redox reaction, simply write in the oxidation numbers. If the oxidation number of a substance changes during the reaction, then it is a redox reaction. Since the oxidation number of most substances in this reaction change from the reactant side of the equation to the product side of the equation, it is definitely an oxidation reduction reaction. Notice that the oxidation number of chloride did not change, so chloride did not participate in the reaction and is therefore represents a spectator ion. Remember also that the oxidation number of any lone element is zero. In the reaction above, magnesium is being oxidized, and gold 3 cation is being reduced. Chloride is a spectator ion, which does not participate in the reaction. To determine the oxidation number of any ion, refer to the periodic table. The oxidation number of magnesium, according to the periodic table, is +2. The oxidation number of gold, according to the periodic table, can be +1 or +3. We will use the +3 oxidation state in this particular case. Although chloride has many oxidation numbers, in an ionic compound always use the -1 oxidation number. For elements with multiple oxidation numbers, usually the subscript of the first element in the compound will be the oxidation number for the nonmetal. Just remember, it will always be negative. Distinguishing between redox and non-redox reactions. This is also an oxidation reduction reaction. Here, the reaction is between a nonmetal and the ion of a nonmetal. Fluorine gas is reduced and chloride ion is oxidized. In this case, the spectator ion is the aluminum ion. So spectator ions can be either metallic or nonmetallic. This reaction, however, is definitely not an oxidation reduction reaction, primarily because the oxidation numbers of all species remain the same. Where sodium starts out as +1 and ends at +1, chloride starts out at -1 and ends at -1. Silver, Ag, starts out at +1 and ends at +1. And nitrate, a polyatomic ion from table E, starts out at -1 and ends at -1. This concludes my lesson on oxidation reduction or redox reactions. I'm Mr. B.